Alright, let's start painting an abstract work with oil paint. Tap to choose this vase. Then add a layer. After that, choose the Freya Oil Wet 14 brush, which will be in the Freya 3D painting brush set. You can choose any color that is on the top line of the palette. I'll choose the pink color first. You can paint freely and as you like. There are no rules nor a correct way. I want everyone to have fun. Paint in circular motions. I'll skip the middle part of the vase. I'll focus on painting around the base of the vase. Change the color a bit. This brush will help mixing the colors. Change the color to yellow. Change the color again. As I said, you can play around with it. I'll add a little more blue. Okay, I'm satisfied. It is an abstract painting style. There aren't a lot of rules, just play with the colors to make it look fun. And as I said, this is oil painting, so it has to be glossy. I'll adjust the roughness to make it glossy like an actual oil paint. Go to the layer on which we painted the oil color. Choose the materials icon. Go to Roughness. You'll notice that the Roughness thumbnail has some gray parts and some black parts. If we fill just the color to adjust the surface, it may be inaccurate, and the colors won't be filled evenly. So I'll adjust the roughness from the adjustments instead. Choose Hue, Saturation, Brightness. I'll adjust brightness to the left. Do you notice? It's becoming glossy. Around 32%, and you'll see the light reflecting. It's glossy now. That's not difficult at all. Try tilting the model. Do you notice that? You'll notice that the oil paint becomes glossy. For the unpainted part of the vase, it has a matte finish. We're now done with this step. That was very easy. In the next lesson, we'll be painting with a gold color. Let's go!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my 3D painting in Procreate Mastery. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.